Want to pay with your Android phone? Here's how to set up Tap to Pay. First, ensure your device meets the requirements. It should be running Android 9.0 or later and have a near field communication capabilities that is called NFC. Next, open the Google Wallet app, tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then select payment methods. If you haven't added a card yet, tap add a payment method and follow the prompts to enter your card details. Once your card is added, go back to the main screen. If your device supports tap to pay, you will see a tap and pay chip on the home screen. If not, ensure NFC is enabled by going to Settings, Connections, NFC, and Contactless Payments and toggle it on. To make a payment, unlock your phone and hold it near the contactless payment terminal. You'll see a blue check mark or hear a beep indicating the payment was successful. That's it. You're now ready to make a secure contactless payments with your Android device. If this helped, well, tap like, subscribe, and drop a comment. If you want a video on setting up Google Pay for online purchases next, see you in the next one.